All right, today we're going to get my C8 safety inspection done here in Virginia, where they're very strict on tint. If you follow the channel, I put a 20% vinyl static cling tint on there, and you can just take it right off if need be. So I'm curious to see if they're gonna pass me. I have no idea, but that'll be fun to see their faces when I'm like, oh no, just take it off. And just peel it right off. We'll do that. If it does pass, they don't care, I might just put actual tint on there. This is kind of a litmus test to see if I'm gonna be good to go. And then also, to give you guys that live in a very strict state, another option outside of tint, where if need be, you can just take it off. So there's that. And also over there, we'll look at the C8 market. I think they have quite a few C8s on the lot. We'll take a look at those guys and just, yeah, see what the market's doing right now. So let's roll the intro and we'll do a little cold start and roll on over there. And real quick, if I can just have 37 seconds of your time, who wants to win a brand new Z06 plus $30,000 for $25? I've partnered with Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix Association for your chance to win big for a little bit of money. Let me show you how to real quick. Go to this website right here. It'll be in the description below. Click on that link. You're gonna hit donate now. If you use my promo code right there, you get 30% more tickets. Put all your info right here, hit continue, and you're all set. And you have until September 30th, 2024, and drawing date will be October 8th. All I ask is that if one of my viewers uses my promo code and wins this car and the cash, you have to buy me lunch and let me drive the car. All right, deal? Cool. All right, on to the video. They only got 2 Corvettes, looks like, in the showroom. We'll go outside here in a second. It's a nice 24. They want 100 grand for that. That's crazy. It looks like no markup now, which is pretty common. It's a 93, but it has black Trident wheels for 679. I don't know what that means. That's kind of weird. These aren't Tridents. Cool little spec. I wish it had the red calipers. Nonetheless, pretty cool. You get some free curb rash. That's pretty neat. Where's your Z01? $93, not too bad. Beautiful Z06 here. This thing's in black, looks so damn mean. No sticker on this guy. This, I assume, he has quite a markup still. Gorgeous though. I like the just all black with the red stitching. It's nice. Nice torch red convertible. Looks like it's already bought. Someone's coming to pick it up. I think it was so exciting, man. It's like winning the lottery. Corvette pickup day. Really pretty spec. These wheels honestly have grown on me. When these first came out and I first saw them, I couldn't stand them. But I don't mind them. The machined lip. It's an acquired taste, I guess. But watching this as the owner, congratulations. Man, they got these things. Please make these make sense to me. The Mach E. Look at these huge rotors and huge brakes. These are really tiny in person. These things are just stacking up on lots. You know, I kind of get it though. The Ford engineers kind of have their arms tied and they made them design these damn things. Can't breed anything. No price on here. It's probably loaded. All right, that took them all about 20 minutes. That was really fast, and they had no issues with it at all. So, good to go. Let me turn you around and show you how it looks, by the way. This is after about a week. There is a little bit of distortion in it if you do this route, but I can live with it. There you go, out that way too. But yeah, I was ready to just peel it off if they had an issue with it, but they had no problems with it. All right, well, that went way too quick. So let's do a little bonus thing here. We'll do a little cold start in the C5Z, do a little night drive, driving around, farting around, do some pulls for you. How's that sound? All right, cold start. Oh, and also when I got home from work today, I put a C6 knob on my MGW. I go through shift knobs like once every 6 months. Yeah, how I mounted it to my MGW is I had a GTO probably 10 years ago, and I had a Lewis short stick, I believe, or a Lewis short stick, I don't know. I took that and I bolted it to my MGW base. I shaved down the top of the stick, and yeah, this little guy, I just put it on top with some epoxy. There we go, good to go. So I love the way the C6 knob feels. Man, I can switch it out. If I want to go back to the other one that comes MGW, I can do that if I want to. So, all right, let's go for a little drive. Alrighty, and then tomorrow, maybe Sunday, we're gonna finally replace the window regular on the driver's side. I ordered one a while ago, and the DC motor did not work in it, so I used some of the guts, swapped it over, but it's time. It's getting slow, and the little guides are starting to wobble, and you can't really fix those without replacing the whole damn thing. So that's what we're gonna do. It's not too bad though. Yeah, the C6 knob just feels appropriate. It's not as heavy as that ball I put on my MGW. It's so funny between this car and the C8s, how different but similar they are. I can't explain it. I'm so happy it's Friday. It's been a long week. The car sounds so good. I will say this. Even with the C8's exhaust and air filter, I prefer the sound of this still. I love the purr, especially on downshifts. The burbles and pops. Yeah, the burbles never really come through on camera like it is in person. But this car just sounds so damn good. LG long tubes, high flow cats, Billy Boat PRT. That's really rewarding sound. And it's starting to rain. That's all right. All my cars are filthy right now from the pollen. You might see it in the garage. It gets in there too. That's being insane. So it's washing cars all weekend. So damn good. You're on 3,000 RPM, and it's awesome. a little bit. Love this exit, but I hate when someone's in front of me. I gotta do a 3 or 3.5 year update on my coilovers. Yeah, the BCs are great. I think in time they get even more supple and more comfortable, but still firm and confident. Alright guys, well, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'll see you guys in a few days if I get a window regulator. I still gotta do the struts on the trunk here. We'll do that too. And then, so a couple more little things in the C8s, and then we're hopping back on this guy for at least 3 or 4 months. So that'll be fun. So, until next time, you guys take care and mark out.